Introducing the all-new Wilderness System Tsunami, delivering a wave of performance and style. The performance-inspired deck of the new Tsunami motivates you to explore more, while a focus on improving the paddler's experience sees new features incorporated into the design. Complementing spacious covered storage are two removable mesh deck storage bags, perfect for stowing close-at-hand items, as well as an under-deck storage area that provides another alternative for staging your favorite beverage. Small changes with big effects have also been integrated into the hull. The flared sidewalls and increased volume above the waterline provide more confidence and stability, while the longer waterline delivers increased speed and efficiency. The industry-leading Phase 3 Air Pro seating system enables you to travel farther in the world's most comfortable kayak. The Tsunami is available in 3 sizes, ensuring an optimized fit for every paddler. Tsunami, performance touring at its peak. Visit your local authorized Wilderness Systems dealer to see more.
The Perception Rambler is a playful sit-on-top that is easy to paddle for fun seekers of all ages and skill levels, and is great for lakes, bays, rivers, and light surf. Light and easy to manage, the Rambler family features a sit-on-top seat, molded-in footwells, side and bow and stern handles, and a nicely sized tank well with bungees. The Rambler is offered in 2 sizes, a 9.5-foot model and a 13.5-foot tandem model, so you can share the fun with a paddling buddy.
From sea to shining sea, and all the rivers, lakes, and streams in between, America's waterways are among the most beautiful and inviting in the world. As the world's leading manufacturer of kayaks, we've introduced more people to the joy of paddling those very waters than any other brand. Period. In fact, we pioneered modern kayak design and construction over 40 years ago and have led the industry ever since. We're a company of passionate paddlers, and we proudly design, mold, and hand-assemble our boats in the USA. We're devoted craftsmen and women, and a keen attention to detail, quality, and personal touches are evident in every kayak we make. Our proprietary materials and state-of-the-art processes produce the most comfortable, stable, durable, and safest kayaks available. But don't just take our word for it. With an unrivaled reputation of excellence and innovation, and a full lineup of boats that make kayaking fun for all experience levels, we invite you to experience the Perception difference for yourself. Visit an authorized Perception dealer today and ask about their demo program, or visit perceptionkayaks.com to experience more.